Hi everyone. So what we're going to be working on the next couple of days is tracking our weather. In Google Classroom, you're going to have access to your own Excel sheet. So we're going to track the weather for the next 10 days for San Diego. Now on Google Classroom, you're also going to have a link to the weather. So when you click it, it's going to look just like this. Okay, San Diego's weather. We're going to be recording the high and the low for the next 10 days. So what we're going to do is when you click on this, it's going to take you here. When you click on the link, it's going to take you here to today's weather. You're going to want to hit 10-day. So you want to hit the 10-day forecast just right here, which is right here. And then you're just going to scroll down. So today is right here. So today is August 5th. Okay, so there's no high, okay, yet. So you're gonna come back tomorrow and adjust it. Okay, so right here it doesn't say anything, so don't worry about that. We're gonna leave it blank, but it says that the low is 67. So we're gonna go back. We're gonna hit 67 here. Okay, and then we're gonna go back over here. Tomorrow is the 6th. So we have a high of 77 and a low of 68. So I'm going to go back to my Excel sheet. Sorry, I forgot the numbers. 77 and 68. So we're going to have 77 here, 68 here. Now, these are just the expected. This is the expected temperature for tomorrow. Of course, anything can change. So we're going to the first step is to go ahead and write all of these down. So then the third day will be 74, 66. So we're going to put 74 here, 66 there. Okay, you're going to do that for all 10 days. And what you're going to be doing the day after, so tomorrow, you're going to go back and check your numbers. Because remember, these are just numbers that are expected. So the low 67, what happens if it goes a little bit lower today? Tomorrow you'll go ahead and change it to whatever it was, whatever it says. Okay, so let's say you're checking your weather on Wednesday. Okay, so let's say you're checking your weather on Wednesday, and for Tuesday it says that the high which was actually 80 and the low was 68. So what you would do if it said 80 here when you were checking on Wednesday, if it says 80 over here and 68 here, you're going to go back to Wednesday, right, which is day 2, right? Yeah, day 2, and you're going to change it to 80. Okay. If we have any questions, I'll go ahead and answer them tomorrow in class. Thank you.